Alright guys, so I haven't made a lot of content lately, so I thought I'd just take this moment to do a little walk around of the Jeeps. So I'm going to start with the green one. This is my daily driver, Cherokee. It's got some bumps and bruises. We'll start off through the back here. I got a 20-pound CO2 tank in the trunk, toolbox, box of spare parts and fluids bolted to the floor. This thing's really cool. I like this. This is a Omega Mill canvas bag. Velcro's right into the cubby. Really useful. As you can see, I keep my first aid kit in there. It's a really nice use of that area. I really like that. It zips up nice. You can just pull the whole bag out if you need to run an emergency or something. And I got a fire extinguisher over there. We'll close this up. Alright, it's a little hard to do with one hand here, so I'll try my best to get this shut up. I'll save you guys the agony of watching me try to shut that. So we'll take a look down here. Got some brand new Rubicon Express 4.5-inch springs. Ballistic fab diff cover on the factory XJ Dana 44 that I got from an 87. Got the Terraflex 2-inch shackles in the rear. Bilstein 5100 series shocks. Move around the side here. The tires are metric 33-inch tread right guard dog MTs. I got in an accident over the winter time. That's why the front end's a little crooked and stuff. I'll splice in a picture of that. I had to basically rebuild the whole front end. Basically this whole road was just black ice here and I lost control, hit that pole. Here's some pictures of us repairing the unibody, and I had to swap out a new front axle for one that wasn't bent, but got it pretty much fixed up. Still needs some tuning, but I ended up replacing the front bumper with this Logan's Metal Products bumper. I really like it. I got the Clayton 3-link truss in the front with Moog V8 steering. Rubicon Express 4.5-inch springs with JKS disconnects, Bilstein 5150 series shocks. Over here you can see the Clayton 3-link long arms, back to the Clayton 3-piece cross member. And we just have a stock MP231 with a iron rock slip yoke eliminator and an XJ front shaft in the rear. And then I got the interior here. There's a couple things, leather seats, but the driver's seats obviously, ripped to shreds. I got some junk in there. Probably should have cleaned that first, huh? I got the overhead console. I recovered that myself. It was a gray one. I redid the headliner with material. I got the wood grain bezel from a Limited. Bluetooth radio, and I just got the really hard to find infinity tweeters in the door. I'm out back over here. I got the Dirt Bound off-road quarter armor, and then of course the Detours USA tire carrier, which is no longer in production, really hard to find. But that's just an overall look of that. Okay, so we're on to my girlfriend's 98 Cherokee. Thing's just got absolutely no rust at all. It's got the Old Man Emu heavy duty 2-inch lift. And the tires are like a metric equivalent to like a 30. They're just like Mastercraft all-terrains. They're pretty good tires. The roof rack I just got in like a trade or something. Ended up being free. I wouldn't buy anything like that, but ended up being something free, so I just threw it on there. Some of you guys asked about the exhaust. It has like the Dynamax catback exhaust or whatever. It was just like the cheapest one on Summit. It's pretty good. And I just added some factory tow hooks and my old Hellas on the front. Alright, I know a lot of you have been waiting for this one. This is the 86 Comanche. This thing is about 95% done now. I got the tailgate sticker from Jeep Sticker. Eradicated most of the rust from the frame and chassis. It's got new floors. Everything's been undercoated. Keep it nice and oily with fluid film under here. New exhaust system. New shocks. It's got Rusty's 3-inch or 1-inch add leaf in the back with a 2-inch shackle, so it's got like a 3-inch lift. Put new doors on it with no rust from a Cherokee. I'll open you up. The interior was pretty ratty the last time you guys saw it. Of course, I got new floor pans welded in. Any of the metal was patched. It's got eliminator bucket seats in it now. Full floor console from a Cherokee. I decided to stick with the blue interior for now. I like this one. This is the factory clock I added. Actually works. It's pretty rare. I got a factory cheap cassette radio. Just trying to keep this one old school looking. Don't have any real big plans for it. Just want to use it as a truck. It's a nice little truck to drive around. Been running errands with it. It actually runs really good, so. It's got some like cheap American racing wheels on it with some 30-inch BF Goodrich all-terrains. And then the front has like Old Man Emu 2-inch lift springs with some cheapo shocks. Ride's pretty good. Alright guys, it's Labor Day weekend. We want to cook some steaks and we're out of propane, so we're going to go for a quick ride and get some propane. You guys would have thought 2 years ago when I got this truck I'd ever be driving like this. I didn't think so either. I mean, it's not perfect, but it makes a great little truck to run around in, and it saved another Comanche from going to the junkyard, so I'm pretty happy with that. Truck shifts through all the gears good, all the lights work. Not too bad for a 30-year-old truck. Well guys, I'm gonna enjoy these steaks and hopefully we'll get on pretty soon again. We'll get some videos going in this garage that I'm building, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, thanks.